What's up YouTube, welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to show you how to install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation Pro. So first what you want to do is just type in Kali Linux in your search browser. You'll see Kali Linux pen testing and ethical hacking. Go ahead and click on the download/get Kali link or the download link. Choose your platform, it'll be virtual machines. Go ahead and select that, and then we can come over here to VMware and go ahead and select this download button. It's a 2.7 gig file. Also note that the Kali installation will have default credentials set as Kali, so make note of that in case you load the OS and you're prompted with credentials. So we'll give this a few minutes to download. With the file downloaded, we can go ahead and navigate to our downloads folder. We see that we have a Kali Linux VMware 7-zip file. Go ahead and right click it, show more options, and then go to 7-zip and extract files. Go ahead and hit OK. If you don't have 7-zip, you can quickly Google 7-zip download and then download it that way. We're near completion of the extraction. It's at 90%. Once that finishes, it'll close and we see a new file has been populated in our folder. Go ahead and double click on that file. Double click the file under that, and now we see all these files over here. So go ahead and double click on the VMX file. So you'll see different extensions, VMDK, VMX. Go ahead and double click the VMX file. And now it populated this Kali Linux 2023.1 VMware -AMD64. Go ahead and power on this virtual machine. It says we're running this with a side channel, mitigations enabled. Go ahead and just click OK. We can ignore that for now. Starting up the VM. Booting in 3 seconds. Now we get a login page. So we're prompted for credentials now. It'll be Kali. And then again, we can go in the terminal and change the password. So we can come over here, do a quick sudo password Kali. Then we can set the password for that Kali user. And then enter the new password. Put in fat finger. Cool. And then we could change the password for the root user too. We could change it to something more secure. So sudo password and then root. And then we can just go ahead and set the password. And there you go. There you have it. So that's the installation guide for Kali Linux on VMware Workstation Pro. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.